Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Beat. I'm your host, Sarah. Today we are doing a deep dive. I have a list of 21 common phrases that take you from textbook English to native level fluency. If you've ever felt like your English sounds a bit too robotic, this video is for you. Let's get into the beat. First up, let's look at how we express ourselves and our feelings. 1. Instead of the basic, I'm sorry, try the more formal, I apologize. 2. If you're stuck and say, I don't know, switch it up with, I have no idea. 3. When you're a fan of something, don't just say, I like it. Say, I'm fond of it. 4. If you're really frightened, move past I'm scared and use, I'm terrified. 5. And if something shocks you, instead of, I'm surprised, say, I'm taken aback. Now, let's talk about understanding and daily habits. 6. When you follow what someone is saying, instead of, I understand, try, I get your point. 7. If you're telling a friend, don't be late, give it more punch by saying, be punctual. 8. Heading to sleep? Instead of, I'm going to sleep, say, I'm off to bed. 9. When someone asks how you are, instead of the standard, I'm okay, say, I'm doing fine. 10. If you're hesitating and say, I'm not sure, try the more precise, I'm uncertain. We're halfway there. Let's look at capability and big emotions. 11. If a task is too hard, instead of, I can't do it, say, I'm unable to do it. 12. When life is great and you're very happy, tell the world, I'm over the moon. 13. If you're walking out the door, instead of, I'm leaving now, say, I'm heading out. 14. In those sad moments, instead of, I'm very sad, use the powerful, I'm heartbroken. 15. And when you're losing your temper, move from, I'm very angry to, I'm furious. Finally, let's wrap up with these last 6 essential swaps. 16. Instead of a simple, I'll try me best, show your commitment by saying, I'll give it my all. 17. If a task is easy, don't just say, it's easy. Say, it's a piece of cake. 18. When you have nothing to do and say, I'm bored, try, I'm feeling dull. 19. If you're waiting for a friend, instead of, I'm waiting for you, say, I'm expecting you. 20. After a long day of work, instead of, I'm very tired, say, I'm exhausted. 21. And finally, if something isn't for you, instead of, I don't like it, try, I'm not fond of it. There you have it. 21 ways to level up your English and sound like a local. Which of these was your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay on the beat with me. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next one.